Our stuff, Pistol. Our stuff, Pistol. Go for it. Circle.
That's really helping.
There you go. Create the angle.
Thank you.
Good. Way to block that. Hey, Pistol, let's try our stuff now. All the way. Pistol, it'll go. You just got to commit to it. Hands. What are our hands doing? "35 seconds here, Pistol." Hey, don't just flap. Shoot to it. Get it, get it, get it. Pistol, don't flap it. Really take it. It'll go. You just got to commit. 18 seconds here, P. Pistol. Okay. Stay behind, elbows under armpits, hips ride tight. Yep, good pressure, good pressure, good pressure. Driving with our toes. Now drive with our toes, please. Keep our hips behind, drive with our toes. Go for it again. Return it. Stay behind. Head levers there. Yes, go. Hey, keep that, yeah. Catch that half. Bars. Keep it. Elevate, run the shoulder through the ear. Hey, just readjust your grip there. Hey, pull that arm. Pistol, put your chin to the shoulder. Pull the arm across. Snap them back down with it. Snap forward, not through you. Breathe.
Let's go, Pistol.
Our hands have got to be moving. All parts of our body are wrestling. Pick something and commit to it. Crawl, cross face. Get our head back. You got 2 on 1. Drag through. Hey, Mac, you got the near fall for us, right? It's just 3-1. Should be 7. We got a takedown and then 4 near fall. Huh? He did 4. Oh, okay. That's on me. That's on me. No, we didn't get a takedown. Wrong match. I'm in my head somewhere different. Mac, that's on me, dude. You can choose dodgeball on Monday. Reset here, Pistol. Hey, our feet are moving and our hands are protected. Here. Hands are moving, feet are wrestling, heads up. We're not looking down. Hey, that's a lot of pressure. 2 on 1. Pull it. We're getting our thing to pull here. Pistol, we got to create something here. Not half slaps. You got to choose something and commit. All the way.
Let's go.
Elbows down, protect, wrestle. Hold that all the way through. Grab a wrist. 2 hands on 1 wrist. Cross face. Get our leg back. Just get behind. Hey, elbows down and wrestle.
Come on, Pistol, let's go.
Snap. Snap down, throw back. Hey, snap. To your knees.
Let's go, Pistol. Ball.
Keep wrestling, Pistol. Put a foot down, get our hip back.
Come on, Pistol.
0.7 seconds, Pistol.
Let's go. You gotta go.
Forward.
Hear that? Make it yours. Hey, Pistol, we want to make that ours.
Be aggressive. Come on.
All the way.
Come on.
Behind. Return, Pistol.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Keep pressing.
Keep him down.
Okay, pressing with our toes or he doesn't touch the mat. Up, body line.
Settle.
Lift that head.
Get on your toes.
Pistol, hip down.
That's a
Hip
pin.
down.
Yes, that was a pin.
That was so pinned.
That's
Right
it.
there. Now lift the head.
Yes, sir, Pistol.
Good job, Pistol. Pistol cooked, bro.
And Pistol just got third.
That was
I mean,
impressive.
first.
Yeah, Pistol. Pistol, rally.
Cross face that. Cross face that. Walk behind him. Pull, 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 pull. Put him on his belly.
Come on, Pistol.
Pistol, we've got a butcher there. Cross face hard.
Cross face.
Put our hip down. Cross face, Pistol.
Come on, Pistol, rotate.
Shoulder to the mat. Cross face, Pistol, sprawl. Put pressure on his head, get our leg back.
Push on his head. Push on his head.
Cross face. Now run your butcher.
Run it.
Walk, 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 walk.
On your toes.
Pistol, rip it hard, put him on his belly. Pistol. Reset, let's get it. Make it ours, Pistol. We don't need to reach. Clear that. That's why we get that off. Sprawl, crossface. Pistol, get our hip back. Hard, hard, hard. 6 seconds. Sprawl. Step it. Hey, reset. Pistol, reset.
You can do it, Pistol. Come on.
Hey. Pistol.
Come on, Pistol.
Good. Hey, run that. You know what to do. You know what to do right there. Walk it tight. Walk it tight. Hey, rip that harder. Roll it. Pistol, knees off the mat. Pressure with our toes. There we go. Keep pressure. Keep pressure. Keep pressure. On our toes. Roll it. Catch what opens up. Bottom guard's gotta work. Hey, really fold that under him. Howard. Howard. Tee out. Hip down. There you go. Settle right there, Pistol. Hip back up. Keep scrambling, Pistol. That's a scramble.
Come on, Pistol. Keep going.
Get that half off. Hey, Pistol, let's work to get our hips back up. Head up.
Pistol, come on. Don't give up. Roll him.
Hey, keep working, Pistol. Head up, not down. Look up. Pistol, look up, work up. Pull it. 2 hands, pull it. Step over, keep stepping. Keep stepping, now clear your head. Head out, pull your head out. Hey, control here, 20 seconds. Pressure with our toes, don't look down. Tight. Follow, Pistol. Look at me. Pistol, look at me. It's our choice. Where do you want? Where do you want? Go with it. Pistol. Our hips stay behind. Our hands are under the armpits. Do not get in front. Follow, follow, follow. We don't need to step in front. Let's hang on tight. Roll it. Drive with our toes. Roll that wrist under him. Hey, drive our toes. Roll the wrist. Catch it. Catch it. Hey, go head lever. Stay behind.
Come on, Pistol.
There we go. Put a shoulder to the mat. Keep that. Hey, go head lever again if you can. There you go.
Half. Run the half.
Pistol swing, catch half. Catch that half.
Scoop the head.
Oh, okay. Settle right there. Pistol, look at the wall. On your toes, get off your knees. Good job, buddy.
Let's go.
Good wrestling, B.